time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course guys, if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. Okay, if there is need for me to go to higher time frame, I will let you know, and I will let you know the exact higher time frame I will be using by then. Okay, so now quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So I remember very well I dropped this signal after this getting to the resistance. So even though the trend started right from here, but it went to this region and had a pullback. So immediately after we had the pullback, I readjust I had to come up with a setup so that we can enter and trade for a while. So TP1, TP2 achieved. So going towards TP3 and 4. Okay. So this is on downtrend at the moment. We just hope that it's going to break out from this region. Okay. If it breaks out from there, then definitely we're going to achieve the rest of the TPs. Okay. So this is very, very important. So we needed to break out from here before we can say it will achieve the rest. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from there. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. I actually love this. I dropped this signal 2 days ago, and of course, check it out. After this got to the resistance zone, it was unable to break out from this resistance zone, so it switched into a downtrend. And right from there, we came up with the entry point, the stop loss. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved, 5 also achieved. This is now TP6, and of course, it is about achieving it. I'm really happy that we are able to achieve all these TPs together. Okay, congratulations to those of you who actually picked up this signal. Okay, and of course, this is still selling. If it breaks out from here, then definitely it will sell more. But if it does not, it will switch into an uptrend, and the necessary signals will also be shown on the chart if you are using this custom made indicator. Okay, so this is very, very important, so you can follow the signal right from there. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from the support zone. Now the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200, and of course I made mention of something a few days ago on this particular asset. Okay, it started a downtrend right from here. We remember, if you remember very well, we moved it down to this region, and of course, we had to do a new. I mean, we had to review it again to see what is the next thing that will happen from there. Okay, I said this actually got to the support zone at this point, and right here can be an entry point for a buy signal. That is if the signal actually came up. Okay, and right here will be a support zone, and of course we highlighted some TPs for us right from there. But I also said this can also be broken. Okay, the reason is I'm going to go to higher time frame right here. Okay, and I'm going to show you something that you guys are not seeing on 15-minute time frame. You can see it right here, guys. You can see it right here. Around there happen to be a support zone, and of course I said it's most likely for it to break out from here and achieve this. And if it breaks out from here, then this is where it is coming to. So this is going to be more of a downtrend. than an uptrend. So, and I said, if this if it got activated, then we are most likely um, to have more buying opportunity right from there. But if it is broken, then definitely it will get to this region which it has just achieved. Then the next region which we are looking at is actually this region. So this is still very much on downtrend, just the way we are seeing it. Okay, so you should take note of that. So this is still selling at the moment. So now let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999, and of course, this has been on downtrend right from here. Okay, and I remember we milked it to the very last, and it got to the support zone, was unable to break out from there at the beginning. So it tried to go back on uptrend, but it didn't go too far. Came back down again, and right now it has broken from there. Okay, now, I want to see what is really happening on H1 so that we understand what we want to go into before we start trading. Okay, guys, this is one thing you guys need to know. This is one thing you guys need to know. This actually pulled back till it got to this region, which is also a unique region where it had a pullback. Okay, so it got there also, and of course, it's having a pullback right now. We don't know how far that will go, and if it didn't go too far, it will come back down and break out from there and try to target this region. Okay, I am having an horizontal line here because of this region. Okay, and of course, if it's unable to break out from here, it's most likely it goes on uptrend for a while. However, this is what I am actually expecting from this, because we have a lot of space to milk right here. So I'm expecting this to break out from here and sell more at this particular time, because it has come on a long uptrend for a while. Do you get it? So right now it is the time for it to sell more. Okay, so this is most likely to give us more selling opportunity if it breaks out from there. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Now let's check out um SFX volume 80. This is SFX volume 80. I gave us these signals. This signal few days ago, I think 2 days ago. Although it has been playing around there for a while, I told you it needs to activate this. It didn't activate it at this point, but it's about activating it right now. So if it gets activated fully, we are most likely to achieve this. So this is giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The only reason why this will not buy is if it comes down and break out from here. And as you can see, it has been finding it difficult to break out from there. So that is why we are hoping that it's going to buy right from there. Okay, so this should give us more of a buying opportunity. Okay, it should give us more of a buying opportunity. So, guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, you can go back to my channel and watch my training videos so that you will have a better understanding of how it works before you go fully into it. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.